Welcome to another Michigan Military Technical Historical Society video. This is the second video in our museum remodel or exhibit revamp video series. I kind of wanted to give you a chance to see what we've been doing for the last couple of weeks and how things are moving along. You can see this is the wall that we did the bulk of the work to. We added a display case in here and we moved some things around, and as you can see, we're starting to button some of the displays back up. We have one down here at the end that we're still working on, and we have one here in the middle that's not quite developed yet, but it's coming along. The rest of them are starting to pull together nicely. We've got a couple, we've got two down here at the end that are all new. Pulled some, we had two uniform groupings down here that had been in there for a couple of years. We took them out and put two brand new ones in. We have quite a few nice groupings in storage, so we're taking this opportunity to rotate some out, rotate some in. These two cases are also still in work. And then we come down and we'll walk down here to the end. The new Rosie the Riveter display case came in, and we've got the case put together, and we're starting to work on developing the stuff that's going to go in it. So over here on the production side of the exhibits, you can see we've got a couple of the cases opened up. We opened these two cases up first because there were items in these cases that were going to come out and actually move to different exhibits. So we're going to be adding some new things into these and working on these and updating. We'll probably end up pulling the glass out of the rest of these and doing some updates. We've got the cases, the new cases that we added here in the center. We've buttoned those up today. So these are done and ready to go. And just wanted to kind of take a minute and look at this here. You can see these little pieces of paper that we have attached to each case as we finish it up. This is the exciting part about museum work, is not just collecting the artifacts and researching them and figuring out how to display them and writing up the exhibit tags and things like that, but we also have to be responsible custodians for the items and know where everything's at. So everything in the museum is loaded into a museum archive database. We happen to use MuseArch, which is a museum freeware. And then as we complete the exhibits, we do these exhibit reports. And this is sort of our internal audit, that we make sure that each case, we have an accurate inventory of what's in the case, and to make sure that the system records. So if we're looking for something and we go into our system and we're like, okay, it says we have this artifact, and then we go, where is it? And well, we should know. So as we've been doing this, we've been auditing the cases and correcting some errors in the database and cleaning it up. And as I go along, I've been just attaching these as I sign off on each case. Before we close it up and lock it up, I sign off on these little documents, and I've been attaching them just for my own sanity. So that's what these little pieces of paper are that are all over the place. So that kind of gives you an idea of what's been going on and what we got going. We hope to have this done by the end of February and be reopened in March. So stay tuned, and hopefully we'll see you all soon. Thank you.